young soldiers, I wrote this from the bench. Chillin' like a villain, liquor weed is the stench. Thinking of my wrongs, trying to make it right. Looking back at all the bad karma in my life. I used to sell white to the people who were hurting, not realizing it was the vulnerable I was serving. It wasn't even me that was being Satan's servant. In prison in the free, killing spirits doing dirt when my thoughts were all savage, influenced by my flesh, not knowing that every day's a gift and a test. How can a flawed soul make peace with the Lord? How can I be free from the sin sword? Live by the gun, just thankful that I'm alive. Only a handful of homies are left, so I try to be a positive